Go.
All right. Hamjambo.
Hamjambo.
Nzuri sana. Today, class, we have a new lesson. Our specific goal is to teach you how to write different forms of a verb based on three things. How to write different forms of a verb based on three things. First of all, and some of these things you already know. You know already what tense is, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the other T word for tense? Remember that word? It's I heard it.
Time.
Time. Very good. Time. It tells you when a particular action is happening. Now remember, we're talking about verbs. So when is this particular action happening? The next word is number. Number refers to, is this happening plural or is this happening singular? Okay? So this would be singular versus plural. And the next word is person. This tells us who in fact is the subject of this verb. What person is acting or what person is being acted upon. So you have 6 of those persons. Can you tell me who those 6 persons are? I,
We.
you, he or she. Very good. I hear the Swahili. Now we, and then and the last one. Very good. They. Okay, let's put those down there real quick. I, you, she or he, we, you all, and they. And do you remember what these are called? These are the letter P. Pronouns. Excellent, excellent. Now, what you're going to learn is about this word. It's called kitenzi. It means verb. You're going to make this verb do some things. You're going to do it, make this verb do things based on person, number, and time. Okay? So the first thing that we like you to do is do a T chart. Okay? I'm going to do one here on the board. T chart. The T chart helps us to set up person. Okay? So here we have the singular to the left and the plural to the right. This is the number. The number singular means what? 1. And plural can mean any number. Very good. So the singular on this side, we'll use the left side, is I. Right? Right? And you already said how to say I in Swahili. How do you say that? Mimi. Very good. The next one is you. Wewe. Excellent. Next is she or he. Yeye. Very nice. Excuse me. Yeye. Now, this is the singular. There's only one I, only one you, and only one he or she. On this side is the plural. It becomes what? We. We is more than one. We know that, and the word in Swahili is sisi. Very good. And you all. This is in fact you plural, and it's what? Can you say it? Yinyi. That's a hard one to say. Yinyi. Okay. And then finally, they is wow. Very nice. All right. These are the pronouns. When you are looking to write a verb in different forms, there's a special word that you use. The word is called conjugation. Conjugate, that's the word. Conjugate. And so conjugate means nothing more than writing these words, or verbs, excuse me, in different forms. So how do you say conjugate in Swahili? It's nyambua. Nyambua. Conjugate. All right? So what we're going to do now let's first of all, let's agree on a tense. Is past okay for you? Can we do past first?
Yeah.
Is that okay? All right. Because why? Because it already passed. It was first before the present. So we're going to use this T chart to to conjugate a verb. We're going to use this chart. We're going to use the past tense first. So let's get a verb. I want to use this verb. You tell me what you think. This verb right here. The verb is pronounced pica, and it means cook. All right? I chose it because the past tense form of the verb will allow for that unique English ending, which is necessary for you to know when you're conjugating, because you need to know when you're in a particular time. Let me tell you what I mean. If I say to you, I will cook, is that the same as I cooked? No, I will cook is what? Future, very good. So if you wanted to say this word cook in the past tense, how would you say it? Very good. And what would you put at the end here? ED. And this is the unique English marker that lets you know that this verb is in its past tense. Now, Swahili also has a unique marker to let you know when the verb is in the past tense. Can anybody remember what that is? What is the past tense marker? Li. Very good. On Li, as already been indicated. If you don't know how to say it, then if you can spell it, that's just as well. So when we show the different forms of this verb, pica, each one is going to have this marker in it, okay? And then you're going to tell me exactly how to say it in the first, second, third person singular, first, second, third person plural, all right? Now I'm going to erase this, and we're going to do it in the past tense. No more English, no more English. Here we go. Unasemaje kwa Kiswahili, I cooked. Now, ngoja. Chakula. Food. Unasemaje kwa Kiswahili, I cooked food. Mimi. Now remember, it's past tense. Very good. Hold on, let me make sure you got enough space. Hold on, because it's hold on. I don't have enough space here. Let me get some space. Make some space. Okay, here we go. Mimi, ni, li, pika. Chakula. Nzuri sana. And this means what? I cooked food. Very good. All right, that's number one. That's the first person. All right, the second person is what's second?
Wait.
Okay, and that means wewe, u, uli, pika, chakula, nzuri sana. And that means you cooked food. What you're doing here, this is called conjugation. You cooked food. Ya pili? Yeah. This is he or she. What's What's that? Oh, very good.
Yeah.
Ali, pika. Chakula, nzuri sana. She or he cooked food. Very good. Now we're out of the singular. We're going to now go to the plural. This is the what? Simple. We're going to say simple past tense. All right. This is first, second, and third. Plural. First, second, and third. Excuse me, this is first, second, and third singular. Excuse me, first, second, and third singular. Now we do first, second, and third plural. All right, start me off. CC. CC. This is CC. What's after CC?
Tuli.
Tuli, very good. CC Tuli. Pika. Chakula. Nzuri sana. And that means what? What happened? What do we do? We cook food. And this will definitely help you. Having this review definitely will help you with your practice sheet number 2, because I think some of you might have gotten a little discouraged by that. Okay. Okay. Now this one is kind of lengthy. Yin yi. Yin yi. Yin yi. Li. Pika. Chakula. And that is saying what? You all cooked food. That's what y'all did when y'all went and had that party the other night. You all cooked some food. Number 3.
Wow.
Wow. Wali. Pika. Chakula. And that means what? They cook food. Very nice. Now this is the simple past tense. What do you got for me for the, now you have past, present, and then future. Okay. So, as has already been indicated, we're going to do the present progressive. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Pay attention, please. All right, this is the present progressive. Excuse me, one moment. Keep the cameras rolling, please. Keep the cameras rolling.
Hey, Ellis-Chopin, girl. You said you throw me out. Okay.
Class, we're going to go to the next tense or time. It's called the present progressive. Present means when? Right now, right now. But this word progressive has a special meaning. It means that this action is ongoing. It's ongoing, meaning, for example, she's teaching Swahili. That's what she's doing right now, okay? So let's take a minute and talk about what the special markers for the present progressive tense is. What's the special marker? Nah, that's that marker. I'll put it over here. So you have li, we've done li already. Now we're doing nah. And then we'll do the future one. Okay, so here we go, here we go. Let me put this here so I can keep it organized, okay? The special marker for the English, can anybody tell me, when you're doing the present progressive tense, what does that sentence look like? What does it look like? What does it sound like? What? Let's do the first one. I what? Say it again. Start from the beginning. I am cooking. Okay, here you go. let's do the Swahili first. So it's Mimi, Nina. Very good. So that li is gone and it's been replaced with a na. Mimi, Nina, what? Mimi, Nina, pika, chakula. And that means what in Swahili?
I am cooking.
I am cooking food. Now the markers in English are what? The ing and the helping verb and. So you know every verb in this chart is going to have ing for the English, okay? So what's number 2? What Kiswahili?
Yeah.
Wewe, u, na, pika, chakula, zuisana. All right, and this means you are cooking. What are you cooking? You're cooking food. Very good. Wewe unapika chakula. Ya pili, he or she. Yeye. Ana. Pika. Chakula. Very good. And it means she or he, what are they doing?
Cooking food.
Is cooking food. All right, this is the singular. Let's go over to the plural. What do we have here? Sisi, tuna, tuna pika, chakula. It means, what does this mean? We are cooking food. Very good. Yapili, yingi. I know that's hard to say. Yingi, na, pika, chakula. And it means you all are cooking food. Next time we'll have a particular food that you're cooking, like some samosas or something. Now this one. Wow. Wow, wana. Pika. Chakula. And this means they are cooking food. All right. Does anybody not understand that? Does that seem simple enough? Okay. Now, this is the present progressive tense. We did the past, present, and now we're going to do the future. So here we go. All right. What is the tense marker in Swahili? What is the tense marker for the future tense? Anybody remember?
Ta.
Ta. Very good. So we're going to put that ta here. The buzzword in English for na, we'll go back just a minute, and am, are, or is, and then the verb, plus verb. Okay? But this ta, what is the buzzword in English? How will you know? What is it again? Will. You have to have the word will to let you know that you are in the future tense. This action has not occurred yet. The hope is that it will happen. Okay? So let's try it. What do? Mimi, ni ta. So the li is gone. The na is gone, and now you have the ta, nita, pika, chakula. And this means what? I will do what? I will do it, Mom. I will cook the food. I will cook it. All right, very nice. Number 2, wewe. U, ta. Pika, chakula means you will cook food. Okay, that's what you will do. Yeye, ata, pika, chakula means she or he will cook food or the food. That's fine. This is in the singular. Now, we're going to do the plural. All right? Sisi, tuta. Sisi, tuta, pika, chakula. Very good.
So you know,
And this means we will cook the food. We will cook food. All right. Yinyi. Ta. Pika. Chakula. And that means you all will cook food. We'll just say food. You can say the. When you're translating back into the English, you can say the or cook food, especially in this particular instance. And finally, wao, wata, pika, chakula. And that means, what does that mean? They will do this. This is what they will do. They will cook food. How many minutes we got, sweetie?
We at 22.
23?
22.
22. Okay. We're gonna stop here. Don't keep the cameras rolling. No, I need a number from 1 to 5 to tell me.
4.
First of all, was this hard?
No.
It's not. Okay. But when you see it amongst other tenses, especially negative and maybe a perfect tense, and then using kuwa, kuana, and kuwa, it might be a little intimidating. But it is very simple, okay? So I want you to give me, I'm looking for your assessment. I want to know where you are in terms of your ability to do this. This is called conjugating. Now, you give me from 1 to 5 where you think you are. Who? Give me my. Let me see my 5s. Let me see. I want to see some 5s. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay. Now, what about my 4s? Who's a 4? 1, 2. I got 2 4s. Okay. Anybody less than a 4? All right. So I got mostly 4s and 5s. Anybody not answered? Back here. We got 4 or 5. What are you? 4 or 5? Less. She's a 5. He's a. You a 3? This is a 3. Okay. What do you need us to do? Because we want you to be a 5, bro. Come on. We got your back. What is it that you are not understanding? Okay. We'll follow up with you. We'll follow up with you. You want to say something?
Can you do the one with the number when you gotta change the number around?
Okay. Okay. I think that's fair. Okay. Okay. Wait. Was that 8 students are doing something? Was it where? Hold on. Listen now. Was the sentence 8? Here it is, right here. Tell me which sentence it is.
No, it was.
Do the mom one.
Yeah, it was mama. Yeah.
Hold on.
It was these 2. I didn't know if I had to.
Okay. So I'm gonna let this stay here. I want to show you that the format is the same. Okay. Pay
8
attention.
students are past Swahili and mom is making 6.
Okay. Hold on. I need your attention, please. We got a few more minutes on the clock. Here we go. MG, give me the first sentence. MG,
Okay.
MG, I need the first sentence.
Yeah, I want some breakfast.
8 students are passing Swahili.
Okay, listen to this, class. 8
I'm not gonna let y'all cracking up.
students hold on. 8 students are passing Swahili. Now, at first glance, tell me what the tense is here. What's the tense? Nah. But tell me in English, it's called the what tense? The present progressive. Why? Because this is what's happening right now. These students are actually passing this class, okay? So, when we get ready to attach the tense marker on the verb, we're going to attach what? Nah, this is the tense marker we're going to attach because it's present progressive. Could you put that camera on hold for me just for a minute, please? You're not used to this because you are used to it, but I never gave you a sentence with a number in the beginning. I never did that to you. As a matter of fact, there may not be any of them. Could you put students? We determined that it's present progressive. This is action that is happening now. The verb for pass is faulu. Pass. And the object is what? Swahili, which is, in fact, Kiswahili. Okay, very good. So let's do this. MG, come on. Now, this is, in this sentence, 8 students, what is this acting as?
A number.
It's a number, but it is acting as what part of speech? Begins with the letter A.
An adjective.
Is acting as an adjective. It's not just students, it's 8 students. So, what you would have to do is, because it's an adjective, the rule for Swahili, when you have an adjective modifying a noun, what do you do to it? What happens to it? What do? You switch the noun and the adjective. So you're not going to start this sentence with the number 8. You're going to start it with this word here. Okay? So unasemaje kwa Kiswahili students? Very good. Wanafunzi. Now you have to go to the number 8. This word 8 is one of those Swahili numbers that changes. It changes with the noun class. Wanafunzi is in the umwa class, so this particular number has to take a WA in front of it. Very good. Wanane.
Yeah.
So there you go. Students 8, not 8 students. In English it's 8 students, but in Swahili it's students 8. Now, the students, is it I, he, she, we, you, all, or they? They. This sentence falls in this category right here. So what are we going to put next? Wa. And they're doing it right now, so what's the tense marker? They're passing right now, so what's the tense marker? Na. Very good. Wana. And then the verb is? Faulu. Wana faulu. Wana faulu. Unasemaje kwa Kiswahili? Swahili. Kiswahili. Nzuri sana. Very good. Students 8, they are passing, all this right here says they are passing Swahili. That is the answer to your question.
Aren't you the one Mama is making?
What is Mama doing?
Making
Sweet potatoes. Okay, Mama's baking sweet potatoes. All right, here we go. Mama's baking some sweet potatoes. Hold on. Now, first of all, what's the time? Mama's baking sweet. When is she doing it? In the past?
Right now.
She's doing it right this minute. She's baking some sweet potatoes. What is the tense marker?
Now.
Nah. Very good. Now, bake. Unasemaje kwa Kiswahili bake? Does anybody remember? It is oka. Oka for bake. So the only thing that changes is this. Bake. And then what is she baking? Sweet potatoes. So kiazi is sweet potatoes, but kiazi is in the kiwi class. So how do you say more than one sweet potato? Viazi. Very good. So you say viazi. So this would be sweet potatoes. All right. Now, the sentence in English is Mama is baking. She's only, it just says, it doesn't say a number, it just says that's the sentence. She's baking sweet potato. Is that the sentence? MG. MG. Mama's baking sweet potatoes. She's not baking like 5 or 6 or 12. 6? She's baking. Mama's baking 6 sweet potatoes. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Now, Mama, she is the subject of the sentence. Where is she on this chart? Is she I, you? I, you, she or he, we, you, or they? She. This is where Mama is. So you're going to put first thing, Mama. That's how you say mother in Swahili. So you already fit with that. Now, if she's baking, you have to put this letter there. The A, and then what's after the A? Na. Very good. And the verb is oka. Mama ana oka. She is baking what? She is baking sweet potatoes. Very good. So what do I put after this? Viazi. Viazi. Do I have to put sita or do I put V sita?
V. No, it's regular sita.
Why not?
Because, wait.
Why don't I put V sita?
She doing it right now.
Maybe because it's not that, it's not a V. It's not, is it a V? It's not in a V, what's it called?
Wait a minute, say that again.
Oh, yeah.
No, wait a
it's
minute.
key. Ain't it key?
Wait a minute, hold on. I'm asking you, listen to the question. Numbers are modified based on the number of the plurality or the singularity of the noun that they're modifying. Why don't I say the sita? Y'all are telling me to say sita, and I'm not telling you that you're wrong. You're correct. But why don't I say the sita? This is a PD class.
Is it because she doing it right now?
Because what?
She doing it right now? Is that why?
No, this is the.
Oh, it's the end?
What do you know about numbers? Tell me what you know about numbers.
There's more than one.
Right. But why, when we did,
Why are you continuing?
if we said 5 potatoes, we would say vitano. Why don't we say visita? Because sita is one of those 4 numbers that does not change. There's sita, saba, tisa, and kumi. You gotta remember that. Okay, thank you very much.